First product pairing. Combine textured mold-proof wallpaper with peel and stick backsplash wall tiles or floor stickers for enhanced overall appeal. Second, thematic displays. Arrange textured mold-proof wallpaper alongside home decor items to visually demonstrate its impact. Third, cross-promotions. When customers purchase related products, suggest textured mold-proof wallpaper and offer bundle discounts to increase sales opportunities. Fourth, in-store events. Host DIY renovation demonstrations to show the practical use of textured mold-proof wallpaper and engage customers. Fifth, social media promotion. Use social media to showcase wallpaper pairing ideas and encourage users to share their experiences, expanding reach. Follow me for more strategies to increase sales in chain stores.